In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your total profit in Robinhood in just a few minutes. With so many features packed into the Robinhood app, it might seem a bit daunting to navigate through it all. But worry not. We're going to walk through it step by step so you can easily keep track of your investments and profits. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Robinhood website. Robinhood offers commission-free stock trading and investing, making it a popular choice for many investors. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with their main website, as it hosts a wealth of information about their offerings and policies. Once you've arrived on the homepage, the next thing you'll need to do is log in to your account. You'll find the login button typically at the top right corner of the page. If you're using the mobile app, it should be equally intuitive. Just look for the login prompt. Make sure you're entering your credentials carefully to avoid any issues. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to the Robinhood homepage. This is like the command center for all your investing activities. From here, you can get an overview of your investments, view market trends, and, more importantly, manage your personal finances. Next, locate and click on the Account button. This is your direct gateway to managing your finances within the Robinhood ecosystem. Once you click on the Account tab, a drop-down menu will appear. Now, what you need to do is to click on Profile. This section is particularly important as it houses all your personal information and summarizes your financial activities within the app. It's an ideal place to review your investment strategies, make necessary adjustments, and track your progress over time. While still in the Profile section, look around until you find an option labeled Total. This is the moment you've been waiting for. Clicking this option will provide you a comprehensive view of your total profit from all your investments on Robinhood. It's an efficient way to gauge whether you're on track with your investment goals or if there are aspects of your portfolio that need reevaluation. That's everything you need to see your total profit in Robinhood. Remember that keeping track of your investments can greatly influence your financial strategies and decisions. Regularly checking on the health of your portfolio ensures you're always making informed choices. Thank you for joining us today. I hope this guide has made it easier for you to navigate the Robinhood platform and find the information you need. Stay informed, stay confident, and happy investing.